we're gonna start a pepper series. Basically, we're gonna be teaching people how to grow massive bell pepper tree. We have records right now that we break in this garden. We had a 7 foot, then we have a 8 foot. So we want to see how far we could take it this year. But at the same time, we want to show you guys the step along the way. All right. First, I want to show you guys. You see the hole. This is the hole, and if you notice, the hole is pretty deep. Do you see? I'm doing it with one hand, so you're going to have to excuse me, but look at it. The hole is pretty deep. All right, so you want to make sure the hole is deep and soft at the same time. So even though you plant it and you ain't get no rain, you're not going to be having much problem, and then the plant's going to able to get moisture and nutrients from the bottom. So today we're gonna transplant a few. This is part one. Stay tuned, guys, because if you want to grow pepper tree massive, okay, these are pepper tree I sow last year. I think is in December. These are bell pepper tree I grow in December. Set from my seed. I have some seed right now that come from 8-foot bell pepper tree, which these are some of the plants. These plants come from 8-foot bell pepper tree, and I'm gonna be breaking this record. Oh, I might just hit 8 foot again. All right. So this, if you notice, guys, look how deep I'm planting them. I'm planting them pretty deep. So while they're growing, this is my method. While they're growing and coming up, I keep adding soil around them. Okay, I have a lot more, but I only walk with a couple in the garden right now. So this series is about growing massive bell pepper trees. I'm not even gonna say bell pepper plant, bell pepper trees. All right. So let me put this next one down in here. Look, guys, you see how deep it is. I mean, it's kind of difficult for me because I'm actually using one hand, and that's it right there. Okay, guys, the thing about it is these seeds already programmed to organic matter. They love organic matter. Bell pepper love organic matter. The more you grow them natural, the better production you get from them, and you stand the chance of even growing huge bell pepper. Back to Planter Garden TV, or welcome to Planter Garden TV. All right, guys, this is a bell pepper series. This is part 3. All right, so this is part 3. Today, what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be softening the root around the plant. If you notice, we start seeing progress. The progress is these peppers start producing peppers already. So this is wonderful, but this is important. So this is the care that I'm gonna be giving them. Also, this is important right here. This is important. So don't stop doing this. I'm hoping that you're following this journey. I'm hoping that you're following this journey, because this journey is gonna be exciting to the end. Because we actually trying to grow 12-foot bell pepper. We did 8 foot. We trying to reach 12 foot, okay? This year, we don't know, but we're trying to break the record of 8 feet tall. And now, I don't want to do them up there because that's the young man pepper. I don't want to do them. I'm focusing on mine. I want he to take care of them himself. All right, so I'm focusing on mine right here. So guys, what you want to do, okay? What you want to do, you want to make sure that the soil around the plant is soft, and these small leaves down to the bottom. Now notice, if you're seeing, I get rid of them like this. What am I keeping this on my plant for? I mean, for do what? Okay, so I get rid of them. I allow the plants to focus on its growth and not on these dead leaf. Okay, and as you see, it's already producing pepper. So what I also do, I take the same leaf and I throw them right around them and just leave them there. Okay, same thing around here. You come over here, you pop the bottom leaf and you soften that soil around it. Okay, same thing around here. I already popped the bottom leaf for this one, so that one is fine. But if you notice, this one is already picking height. These three is picking height. This one, and this one is already picking height. This one, if you notice, is already give you that V. All right, this one is straight. This one already give you that V. Okay. All right. So this is part 3, guys, and this is the step. An 8-foot bell pepper tree. We're trying to break our record of 8 feet. So let's see how it's gonna work. But today, what we're gonna talk about, we're gonna talk about staking your pepper plant. This is pepper tree, guys. This is not them little plant. This is pepper tree we're growing. So if you wanna follow us, you can follow us and learn how to grow 6, 7, 8 feet bell pepper trees. All right, so today what we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about the staking of the bell pepper tree. If you notice, you're gonna see I already start putting down the stake to the bell pepper tree. They're pretty small, but if you notice, I'm already staking them. Why am I staking them so early? Right? Why am I staking them so early? Well, the reason why I'm staking them this early is because these pepper trees produce some massive roots. All right? So because they produce massive roots, you have to stake them early. Because if you wait until they get big and the roots spread by you pulling down the stake, you're gonna end up damaging the root of the pepper. One thing you gotta remember, we not in long growing season. We have a short growing season, and we gotta make sure that our peppers get the right time to produce the way we would like them to produce. All right, so now what we're doing, we actually put in the stake early. We put in the stake early, and we put in them a distance away. We put them at least 6 to 8 inches away from the plant. Why we put in them so close? Because we want, when the plants start growing, we can get the body to put to the post itself and tie it. We don't want the limb, we want the body. While the tree is growing, what we're gonna do now and start spreading its wing, its leaf and its limb, what we gotta do, we gotta start putting more posts. Now, these posts that we're gonna be putting is for the limbs now. Because these limbs gonna spread, and now we're gonna have to put posts for the limb. This post that I'm putting here now, as you can see, is for the body of the tree body. So we could brace it up to the post. The post we're gonna be coming with after is gonna be for the limbs them. So this is just the beginning, and this is how we do it, guys, because we're growing 8 feet, 7 feet, 6 feet, 5 feet, these type of bell pepper we grow. So follow us, guys, and watch the journey and watch the progress of all these pepper and how they grow series. And I'm going to show you today how I maintain my soil and how I grow massive bell pepper. All right, so as you can see here, if you notice, you see what I have here. I have the tree, the rotten tree that's already breaking down. So what I'm doing now, I'm building up this area with these trees. As you can see, look over here as well, already breaking down. So it's actually getting ready to feed the soil, which is already feeding the soil. Now I'm going to show you how I pack this area. All right, so what I did, I pull up some weed out of the garden. So all these little holes in here, all these little holes, I pack them with the soil, with the leaf, pack them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take dirt and I'm gonna put it on top of it. But basically what I'm doing, I'm creating a way for the earthworms, all the bacteria to live and dwell in. So when I cover this, we're gonna happen, I create a home, I create an ecosystem for the earthworms and all the beneficial bacteria inside of them. So basically, what you see I now do here, I build up this area with only rotten tree trunks that's actually feeding my soil. This is what we do, guys. We don't add no chemical, we don't add no Alright guys, what's up? Alright guys, this is an 8-foot bell pepper tree right here. This is a record breaking in my garden. Last year I grew 7.4. This year I'm at 8 feet, which is even in a shorter space of time. It's a blessing to able to grow, master the pepper plant, to take it to a journey of so. Alright, today I'm going to measure this bell pepper tree. Last year my bell pepper tree was like 7 feet 4 inches. This year I'm going to measure it to see how much feet it is today. So from the ground to right where you see I measure there, that's 5 feet tall, 5 feet. This is 5 feet 60 inches, represent 5 feet. So now I'm gonna measure the balance and see how much it is. Okay. 36 inches. I have break my own record of last year growing a 7 feet bell pepper tree. This year I had break my own record. Yes, 8 feet pepper tree this year.